Alright, welcome channel guys. In today's video I have got the Nothing Ear 2024 edition. So this is the more expensive variant which comes with this LDAC and high-res audio support. So I have actually been using these earphones from past 3 years now. So this is actually the second piece. The first one I got, I had lost it after a year while I was on a morning ride. So I have to get this one from OLX. So finally I have got this from Flipkart. So as you could see, it was open box delivery. That's the reason the package has been removed. So for a quick comparison, I have the first package. So this is how it was packed when they released the first generation. So this is actually the third generation now. So the package was very premium and very nice previously. As you could see, it has got this beautiful silver box for the first model, that is Nothing Ear 1, but now they have made the package quite compact and straightforward, so there is nothing fancy in the package. So as you open the package, we have got one more box here and the Nothing Ear 2024 covered here. So this was called the Ear 1, as you could see, but for this one they are just calling it Nothing Ear. There is no Ear 2 or 3, just Nothing Ear. So yeah, let's me just keep it aside and see what and all the box content we have. So as you open the box, there are two more little boxes. So in box here you'll get separate ear tips, so you can adjust the ears according to your ear size. So let me just keep this aside, and one more tiny box, we have got the cable. So even the cable has been compromised, I guess, because for the first generation Nothing Ear I had got this one. So this is actually a braided cable with transparent rubberized texture on it, which was very cool, and the build quality is awesome. The cable has lasted till date, but for the more expensive variant, this is what we are getting. It says Nothing here, and even on this side there is the branding of Nothing. So this is type C to C cable. This was type A to type C, but there was no branding on this. So yeah, that was all the box content. We are not getting anything apart from that. There is a booklet here. Yeah, the booklet is quite big. Okay, let me keep these things aside and let's get to the earphones now. So yeah, this is how the earphones look. Okay, the size has been reduced a little and it feels very compact and solid in hand. You can see the size comparison side by side. So this is the first generation and this is the current gen. The size they have, it is like they have removed one layer of the glass or plastic from this. So this part you see here was actually under this glass, but here it is protruding outside, so that when you keep it on the table or somewhere it won't get scratched up. So that's what was the thought process, I believe. And the Mickey Mouse design you see here, the face and the two ears, which even that size has been reduced. You can see for a quick comparison here. So for the first generation there was a issue of build quality, because the attachment you see here or the case, it used to come out very easily. So I personally have sticked them with Fevicryl a lot of times, but they have improved the build quality and the sound quality as well. So there was no issue at all with the sound quality of the first generation. Now this is how the earphones look. Rest everything is the same. The box has been made little compact. Rest all the features are same, and the earbuds also. And one more thing, sadly, which I didn't like on this, the current generation, is the gestures. So for the first generation you had the gestures like you just tap on it or scroll up and down for volume, but in this one you have lost this feature. There is a small magnet here, so if you want to control pause music, play music or receive calls, you have to pinch it instead of just tapping on this. There is a small magnet here, you need to pinch it. So yeah guys, that's all about this video. If you have any doubts or suggestions, do let me know in the comment section box down below. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.